For the last 38 years, I have been conducting classes in Bach Flower Remedies of England and also writing books. The unique feature of this system of remedies are not only for treatment of diseases but also for solving problems in life. This does not mean that you will at once consult me to know what remedy you have to take for getting promotion. Consultation with others will not help you to find the remedy. Now there is a big question, then what is this? Let me explain what Bach remedies are, why a person cannot give advice or consultation to another suffering person. This system consists of 38 remedies. A remedy which will help a person to get promotion long overdue will not help the second person also to get promotion. It may help him to to get a better job. In the case of a third person, it may cure his headache. In the case of fourth person, it may cure cancer. Now there is a big question, then what is this? How to select the remedy? If you think you can consult somebody and take some remedies, you are at fault. It is totally incorrect. You learn the system first, what it is. Learn and master the picture of 38 remedies. After this, you try to find out which remedy is suitable for you. Advice or consultation from others will be a misguidance. It is totally wrong and incorrect. I repeat, a remedy which helps a person to get promotion long overdue, it will not help the second person also to get promotion. It may help him to earn more money or get a better job. The third person, it may cure his headache. The fourth person, this same remedy may cure his cancer. So this is a big question mark. For this, you have to learn Bach remedies first. Supposing you go to Germany and you don't know German language, and supposing you have a friend in India who knows Germany, every now and then you will not phone him up and ask what German word you have to say to the taxi person, or what is the equivalent German word for a certain word in your mother tongue. Every time you cannot do that. The best way is you learn German, very simple. So also don't try to find the remedy for yourself first. You will end up with total and utter failure. Learn the subject thoroughly and you can master the subject. How to learn this? You can get 7 books written by me. You can get it by post by sending money order 3,800 only. No online transfer please. After reading these books, you try one remedy after the other. It is only by taking the remedy on yourself you will come to know what that remedy will do for you. See, a certain person is always quarreling with the wife. Supposing he take agrimony and it stops, it does not mean it will put an end to quarrels between husband or wife in all cases. It may be a different remedy. This is the most important. This is a treat yourself method. Anybody giving advice, it is totally incorrect and it is misguidance. Now, let us see 4 cases. 4 persons go to a somewhat not so hygienic restaurant. After taking food, they develop abdomen pain, vomiting or diarrhea, maybe food contamination. Now, in allopathy, they will give one and the same remedy to all the 4 persons. But in the case of Bach remedies, what we do is we listen to the words of the sufferer. First person says, This hotel sambar does not agree with me. Had I been careful in not taking this, I would not have got this pain in abdomen or vomiting. Now he regrets for having taken sambar. For regret over missed opportunities, lost chances, the remedy is honeysuckle. Honeysuckle will cure him. The second person blames the hotel owner, saying that they use half perished vegetables etc. and substandard oil, and because of that he is having pain in abdomen. Now in this case he blames the hotel owner. For blaming others for his fault, the remedy is below. The third person says, in restaurant they don't meticulously wash their plates and spoons. Some persons with skin disease might have taken food in the plate which was not properly cleaned and served to him, so that infection might have gone into his stomach, and that is why he is having this pain. Now this person is oversensitive to dirt, filth, contagion, contamination. For this mental attitude, the remedy crab apple will cure him. I hope now the viewers understand how Bach remedies are prescribed. Do not look for remedies for your problems first. You will end up with failure. I will not misguide anybody. You learn the subject thoroughly, then everything becomes easy. However, on the other side, we have many advantages, which some remedies which can be used as a matter of routine. In the case of Deepavali, every average Indian family spends about 10 to 30,000 rupees for buying new clothes, sweets, crackers etc. 1 week before Deepavali and 1 week after Deepavali, you start taking daily 1 dose water violet. Within 7 days after Deepavali, you will be surprised to find that the same very amount comes to you in one form or the other, not the way you have thought. Again, during hospitalization, similarly take the same water violet daily 1 dose and continue to take after coming back from the hospital. Within 7 days you will get back exactly the same amount which you spent on hospitalization. What is a key word for water violet? The key word is focusing. What are the situations, occasions on which we focus more? It is things which we do once in lifetime or which we do once in a year. Deepavali, hospitalization, rare phenomena. During these occasions, we tend to focus. Wherever you focus, water violet will help you. It is only Lord Krishna who ordained that we should celebrate Deepavali. In such a case, he ought to reimburse the exact amount that we spent on Deepavali, but this has not happened in the life of anybody. That is because we have forgotten how to celebrate festivals. Water violet enables us to celebrate the festival correctly, and so the money comes in one form or the other. Similarly, when you are sick, before going to the doctor for consultation, take a dose of water violet. That doctor will not prescribe unnecessary tests, which is being done in majority of cases all over India. Also, if the doctor is not competent enough to cure you, some other better doctor will be there. Thank you.